just by pressing the shift and exclamation mark and hitting the tab button, you would see the boilerplate of HTML, and within the title I would add just links here, and in the body I would tell you that how to add links in HTML. Okay, so that's very simple. For example, it's my website here and I had not added any link here, but how can I do that? It's very simple. You have to press the S tag and anchor tag, and here in the href, which is like a reference, which here you guys would paste your uh, website link. For example, I paste here the Google link. Okay, so I had done some extra text from here. Yeah, it's like yeah, here it's issue. So I added the Google link here. Now it would be working perfectly. You guys can add any link here in the reference. Okay, so that it would work better. Okay, so like for example, this is my complete link and it would definitely work with this syntax. Now it's your complete anchor tag. Yeah, so if I open it with the live server, and you guys would check that the link is working properly. So guys, hope so you like the video. Yeah, if you want that some add some button for this link, for example Google, so then it would also reflect on the screen and like Google, and you would click here and the Google will get open. So that's how the links actually work. Yeah, if you guys don't want this button, then your link would be perfectly working. And you can also add some images and some advanced features with these links, but it's just basic HTML video.